QuickAds dashboard. Go to Design button. Choose Video option. Click on Create Now. Enter your product URL. Click on Analyze URL. Wait for a few seconds till your product is being analyzed. You can see and customize your product detail. After checking all details, click on Next. Select from various options and click Next. Select a suitable script and click Next. Wait for process. Check your preview and click OK. Explore various options to edit your ad. After your ad is ready, click on Download. Wait for rendering.